everybody. This is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens, and this is episode 102 of Gardening Without Edits. I've just been getting bombarded every year. Every year I've done YouTube so far with my donut peach, which I nicknamed the Queen of the Garden. Let me flip around, I'll show you the sunset, and this is why I love gardening, right here. See this? It's quiet. This is the Saturn Peach, donut peach. A lot of videos on this. There's Lulu. This is the princess of the garden. Huh, Lulu? Lulu. Whatever. But this is what I love. A lot of videos on this. If I find some, I'll link it up in the video now so you can see more of it. Look how nice this looks. Oops, sorry. The back of the flower. You don't normally see that or notice it. It's nice and quiet. Bunch of dogs barking. Cars starting. But if somehow I could ignore all of it and just focus on the flowers and the garden and the sunset. Happy gardening, everybody.